Hi, I want to share with everybody that I'm switching my Amy's Crochet Patterns blog over to WordPress, which is Amy's DIY Frugal Life. And you can go to the top of the header and click on crochet. It will take you to all the categories for crochet patterns. Click right on to the category. It will take you to a bunch of patterns, and you can click on the title below each photo. It will take you right to the pattern. I am going to keep my other site, Amy's Crochet Patterns, for probably a couple of years for that site, but I am transferring most of my patterns over here to Amy's DIY Frugal Life, which will be a variety blog with different categories like recipes, holidays, and DIY. I will keep the other blogger website for a couple of years, so you can always go over there. The link for this will be down below in the description and in the comments if you'd like to take a look. But a lot of my patterns on my channel will be linked to this website now. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.